Hey guys, it's Evan with the Grainiac. Thanks for watching another video. This time around I'm making a American flag out of pallet wood. I'm going to show myself ripping it on the saw and how to paint and how to do a little bit of the blow torching. I actually put a few of these up for sale the other day on the marketplace, so that was just yesterday. A little bit of interest, but no hard sales yet. But oh, again, there's my big project I made last month. Now I'm on to something a little smaller. I made 3 of these guys. So I'm going to keep on making these projects. Again, the name of the page is Grainiac, anything with grains. So of course we got wood grains, meat grains, flour grains, and going against the grain, because I'm sure I'll get into some hot topics later on. Probably not. So if you like the page, like, subscribe, and give me some comments on things you'd like to see me try to make, because this has all been new stuff for me. So if you like it, make sure to give a like and share it too. Tell friends and family about it. Thanks. Got it back from Fleet Farm. I was going to unpack some of my goodies, show you guys what I'm up to next. I think what I'm going to be doing, I'll give you a sneak peek, is I'm doing some American flags with got some stencils from Amazon. These ones are going to be 13 inches by, I think it's 24 and 11/16, something like that. But what I was going to do is do some trial and error tonight. I grabbed some gel stains, some enamel, but I'll go ahead and unpack and show you what I all got. So I got some Rust-Oleum enamel, oil based. So I went with oil based, and I got the everything I need for the flag. I got the red, the royal blue, got some gloss white, and they're all oil based because I got some oil based just regular wood stain. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to add the color that I need for the stripes on my flag and then for the star portion of it. So that's my thoughts, because I was looking it up and it looked like as long as you use an oil-based stain, you can add color from a oil-based enamel. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and try to do. And that's a lot of what I do, trial and error. I mean, I don't look it up online and find out exactly how to do it, because then I'm going to make something that somebody else made, and that's not necessarily what I want to do. I'll find my way to do it. But I ripped off a whole bunch of extra boards too. I might make 3 flags out of this, but I ripped them on the saw. Got a whole bunch of extra wood behind me too that I'm going to be making something out of. Had to get some new glue. Got a big old bottle this time because I ran out on my last project. Got some, I've never used this before, this protective enamel. So when I'm all done making the flag, I was going to spray it with enamel, see if I like it, see if it holds up. And I was going to try some boiled linseed oil. I've used this one time before. I have a theater room, and I used reclaimed lumber on the walls and the doors, and I used a combination of boiled linseed oil and what was that, denatured alcohol, half and half, and that's all I used to stain that wood or to protect it. It turned out really nice. So maybe instead of using the white stain, I'll just use the boiled linseed oil. Maybe that's all I need. And then, well, I just got some enamel to finish up a fire grate I have outside. So that was my run to Menards. Got a few, or Fleet Farm, give them credit. So, yeah, today is just going to be some trial and error. I'm going to grab a blowtorch and try to burn the wood a little bit first. See if I can get the desired effect that I want from that. Makes the grain pop a little bit more. See if I can find it. Oh, there it is. Got my trusty blowtorch. So I'll go ahead and burn the wood. and here's my little plans. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test my red, white, and blue linseed oil. Next I'm gonna spray epoxy on it. So I'm gonna use a few test strips because you don't want to do your whole project and then decide that it didn't do what you wanted it to do. So put the top on my torch. Turn it on until you hear something. We have fire. So let's go ahead and try this. I've never really burned wood. You know, some people are all about it, brings out the green. Let's see what I can do. See if I like it or not. That's wet. I have no clue. I don't know. Maybe this side will be better. It's not as... I don't know. I don't necessarily want to burn it the whole way. But I don't know if I like that. Maybe just the wood. Maybe I'll try a different one. And you guys have to let me know if you like watching this trial and error stuff. If you do, I'll keep doing it. If not, I'll just keep it to myself and I'll just keep doing the finished product. Okay. That one looks a little bit better. So I'm just not going to hold it on there as long. Okay. Hey everybody, it's Evan with the Grainiacs. What we're going to be doing today is hopefully making some pallet American flags. So I have stencils. I got those on Amazon for like $11, and I picked up some wood at work that got shipped in on a pallet with some equipment. So I got those for free, but I'm going to rip them down to size, probably make like a 2 foot by 3 foot American flag or whatever the dimensions happen to be for the stencils. But I might try just burning the wood on one, and then I might try staining the wood on the other one. But figured I'd videotape myself doing it, see if I can sell them online for a little bit of money. But either way, it should be fun to make some of these. So hope you enjoy it. Click like, click subscribe. Let me know if there's anything that you think I should try to build next. 3 flags cut out, set up on the ground, and I was gonna start to do some blowtorching. So see how that turns out. I'm gonna need both hands. Alright, first one turned out pretty okay, so I feel a little more comfortable maybe videotaping myself doing it. This is a first for me. I haven't done this before, so it's all about finding the right rhythm. Not holding it on there for too long. I like that look so far. I can see where this can go from bad to worse real quick though. To get a little rushed or heavy-handed. Sorry. Kind of watching the blowtorch more than I'm watching the phone. Different pieces of wood are burning faster than others too. Alright. Well, here they are. Before paint. Stain. Alright, update post. Have it painted. I think I'm going to leave just the burnt wood as the white. Got the stencils. I did my practice run. Got to cut the backer boards down, but this is what it looked like. My stencil and my stars look pretty crisp. Just using a can with a adapter on it. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, so I just have to flip them over. I'm going to attach 3 boards onto the back, so even up the front, and then give it some support so we can hang it on the wall. Looking pretty good so far. Got them all clamped up. Whoops, don't have big enough clamps. Gonna do those in sections. I can paint the stars on at least tomorrow. This one I got fully together. Wait and see how it turns out.